Want to bring your ideas to life and make animated videos? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and learn the basics, starting with the heart of every project, a new composition. First, click New Composition, then enter your project settings. This is where you set the dimensions, duration, and frame rate of your animation. I'm adjusting the size and time settings. Next, let's animate something. You'll mainly be working in the timeline panel. Keyframes are the secret sauce of animation. They tell After Effects when and where to change an object's properties, such as position, scale, or rotation. Adding those keyframes, you'll tell these objects how to move and create animations. Let's create a shape here. I'm creating a shape in the Viewer panel by clicking the shape icon. By clicking on Position, I'm creating keyframes that will determine by adjusting the shape's path. With the keyframes created, you will now be able to view the object moving. You can change the timing of the keyframes by moving them around. You can also change what your animation will look like by making adjustments to the object's properties. Effects are another awesome tool to make your animations pop. Search and add effects to your objects in the Effects and Presets panel. Experiment with different effects like blur, glow, or color correction. After Effects, practice and creativity are key. There are tons of ways to bring your imagination to life. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to try new things.